everyone, come to study with me. Look at my book. First, we need to draw a umbrella. Oh, too small. And I gotta look silly. Okay, now
Nara can draw right.
now it's time to color her. This is the green color, and now time to color her now. I smell something. What's the next color? Daddy, can you help me? Blue. Blue color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Here's blue, that's my favorite. Ah! No! Okay, here's the yellow color. Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Okay, the next step is time to get the pink. Pink color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Did I? Yeah. Give me my this. Okay. Where is the light blue? That's big old. Oh, small umbrella! No! Big umbrella! No. Light blue color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Oh, finish! This is an umbrella. Do you know how to ride umbrella? Yes, I do. Okay, do the green color. Umbrella. The sound of letter U is A. Down, round, up, down, U. U A. Now look at another picture. First we need the right cup. Cup? No. No. 1, 2, 3. More. No. It's 0. No. It's 0. Okay, now at this. Bye-bye. Yeah, nada. Okay, all finished. It's time to color her. Oh, this is the color orange. Orange color. Time to dye heart is orange. But I don't know what color it is, but kind of maybe. Heart. Okay, the next color, light orange. Looks like kind of yellow now. Okay. So hard. Come on! Quick! Too hard. The next one. Yellow! I'm so happy. Okay. Come on. I got the win! We have another blue. It's so beautiful. Oops. Okay, now it's time. Okay, baby. Now it's a green color turn. Daddy, look at me. Oh, Daddy. This is so cute, the little baby on the tummy. This is a funny nose. Here is the top. Up top. And let's draw her beautiful. We gotta write B. Some have babies, so babu, and the seed was a beautiful. Yo. Top. Okay, let's put the sound. Ta-a-ta-but tap. 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 Time to draw a cup. Oops. Never mind. Like this. But it's okay, guys. Don't be afraid. Okay. Hot. A cup, not cup. Oh. Even super hot. And it smells good. It's time to color her. But the white, but there you can't see anything. But just look careful. Don't look so much. Nah. Anati, I'm not gonna show you. Okay. Where's the black color? Oh, there you are. Black color, where are you? Nasha!
What is it?
What's that?
Red cup.
Red cup. Okay. Now, her tongue is so colorful with tentacle. There. Guys, do you know in comments my sister is so weird? Now me hot cocoa. Chocolate. Oh, Dada, you're getting my chocolate. Chocolate hot cocoa. Oh, Dada. Chocolate cocoa. No, so hot. You can just blow it. Yeah. That look like candle silly. There we go. Now it's our turn. Okay, it's time to write her name. Now let's write her name is Cup. Okay. This is C A
แค่ได้นั้น
again. Okay. Let's draw another cup and I do wrong. Sorry guys. No. Okay, C and now you.
พี่
Oh no, sorry guys. I gotta do that again. No! No! Sorry. Liar! Okay, see? You. Cup. I kinda sorry guys. And I do wrong already. Sound together. Cup. Cup. That's all done for the letter U. U is
umbrella. Cup. Umbrella. Tub. Bug. Cup. Bug. Tub. Bug on an umbrella in the tub.
umbrella. Cup. Umbrella. Tub. Bug. Cup. Bug. Tub. Bug on an umbrella in the tub.
Cup, bug, tub, bug on an umbrella in the tub.
Bug, cup, bug, tub, bug on an umbrella in the tub. Bye bye tub, bye bye umbrella, bye bye cup. So hot. I need water.
bathtub or you can say tub
Tub, Daddy. I love you, Buttercup.
and this is umbrella
Cuppy.
and the last is cup but the cup NASA write the wrong word two
And I did.
times
2 times, but just 3.